In this video, we'll cover how to remotely simulate unplugging a USB device in Windows. Imagine you're connected to a remote computer via remote desktop and need to simulate unplugging and plugging back in a USB device, such as a label printer. This can be necessary for certain printers that require the USB device to be unplugged before reinstalling their software. Method 1. Using Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Device Manager. Expand the Disk Drive section. Right-click on the USB device and select Uninstall. As you can see, the USB device is now effectively unplugged. To reconnect it, click on the Scan for Hardware Changes icon. Windows will detect and reconnect the USB device automatically. Method 2. Uninstalling Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click and uninstall the USB controllers. Don't worry, Windows will automatically reinstall them, effectively simulating the device being unplugged and reconnected. Finally, you can use a small, free, and open-source tool designed to remotely simulate unplugging a USB device. This method provides a simple and efficient solution for managing USB devices remotely. By following these methods, you can easily simulate unplugging and replugging USB devices on a remote computer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.